Climb inside the 2015 Honda Pilot. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. This model accommodates 8 passengers comfortably and provides features such as front and rear reading lights, power front seats, automatic temperature control, fully automatic headlights, power moonroof, a power liftgate, and leather upholstery. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Honda ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.